Hello everyone, YouTube card community, fellow sports cards and collectors enthusiasts. Took a little break yesterday for making a video. Come back today, I'm going to rip some Fairfield football collector's edge box for you, and I'm going to show you this list that I've got going on. And there are 32 of you on there. We got Scrap Metal and Mayhem, Don't Forget to Save, A Surfer, Big Chief Sports Cards, Junior Baseball Fanatic 12, Silver Scorpion, Callie and Jordan Squad, Love Rules, Lisa Z, Scott Spalding, Adam's Card Closet, Mike Y, Rose City Sports Cards, It's Us Again, The Hunt Continues, Baseball Fan 75, Brady's Sports Cards and Collectibles, Zero Fox, Sports Cards, G Crew, Card Rips and More, Brian Basketballs, Nips Rips, Cash and Dad's Pack Busters, Patrick's Baseball Cards and TTMs, Freedom Sufferer Cards, Deedsy Breaks, B-Huff 557, Jason DT Sports Guy, Drawings by Rekka, Slim Comics and More, King TV, Collector Holic, Victor Negron Cards, and John Martin's Sports Cards. 32 of you in this giveaway, and I appreciate all of you getting in there and without me even showing you what I'm going to give you. I think that's pretty cool. I will get caught up. Looks like we got a really good pack here. Select 2020, come on, let's go. That is awesome. It feels like there's something in there, but Anquan Bolden, Yaquez Rogers, Amon-Ra St. Brown, Next Level. These are from Sage 2021. Trey Sermon, Brandon Stevens, Cam Akers, AJ Rose, Jamar Jefferson, he's pretty decent, Khalil Herbert, Tylan Wallace, Aaron Robinson, Jamie Newman, Tyrod Taylor, nice, Oakland Raider, Napoleon Kaufman from Topps Finest, the Protect Your Sleeve still on it, Bowman Chrome, Antoine Randall L, 2007. Nice Charles Woodson there. 2009 Upper Deck. Oliver Barnett. Nice Raider. James Lofton. Tony Talbert. Let's see here. John Kitna. 2003 Donruss Elite. Ashley Lilly, 2004 Playoff Contender Season Ticket card. John Randall. Get some good Hall of Famers here. Steve Atwater taking down Brett Favre. Tyrone Poole, Top Stadium Club. Robert Porcher and a Mark Bulger, 2004 Tops there. Thank you for the shout out, Big Chief. Appreciate that, brother. Kirk Cousins. Antoine Winfield Jr., rookie. Turbocharged, Deion Sanders. That is awesome right there. Isaiah Simmons, rookie. Love that Deion Sanders card. That is sweet. Tim at Cornette Collections. Man, I've been trying to get this scrap load ready to go. If I don't get it today, I'll get it tomorrow. And I will have mail going out for Cornette Collections, Silver Scorpion, and Freedom Sufferer cards. Congratulations again on winning that big 250 card giveaway. I will have all three of those going out as soon as possible. In the meantime, add your name to that list to win some more cards coming up real soon. I thank you for watching the channel. See you on the next one.